channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today's video is going to be a vlog video. I am traveling back home today. It is going to be a surprise for some of my family members. My mom, of course, she knows. But I'm traveling back. I do need some more clothes. I did not grab as many clothes as I needed when I just left, because I thought that I was going to come back like in a week or two. I ended up staying here for like nearly a month. So it is time for me to go ahead and get some more clothes. And plus, I do need to get just some other miscellaneous things at home, and I do want to visit too. So we're going to be heading back today. Currently, we're in a hotel room. I decided to not push myself. We actually have already started heading toward Michigan, but we're not there yet. But I've decided not to push myself, meaning I'm not going to just do a straight shot. If I do get tired or if the kids get restless, I am going to pull over and get a room and just take our sweet time getting back. I do need to stop and get my front headlight changed or replaced because it went out. So I do need to get that replaced at like an AutoZone or some other car place nearby. Also, I'm going to stop at Walmart. I need to get some miscellaneous things from there. And I do need to mail out hair. I have some hair packaged up in my car that I need to mail out to a post office. So that's what I'm going to be, or mail out through the post office. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I just decided to pick up the phone and vlog. So if you are interested, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Please be sure to subscribe, and let's get right into the video. All right, so before I leave, I just want to give you a quick snippet of what the room looks like. So I didn't get anything super fancy or anything like that. I just wanted to get something so we can rest and get back on the road this morning. Me and my baby son, I'm gonna try to crop his face out of the video. But we slept in that bed, and then my two oldest sons slept in this bed. Had a little TV. We did have steak and shake last night for dinner. It was really, really good. I haven't had steak and shake in a very long time. Has a little desk here. Yeah, it just has curtains and a chair here. Like I said, nothing super, super fancy, but for the sake of the vlog, I'm just showing you all. I didn't even open this. Is there anything in the fridge? Nope, nothing in here. All right, so we are about to get on the road. I'll pick you all back up as soon as we get to the car. All right, so I have pulled over. I'm about to find a post office where I'm at, but I just got a few more orders that came through, and I do have hair in the car to fulfill the orders. So that's what I'm doing. I'm working on fulfilling the orders. There are perks to being able to work while on the go, so I'm blessed that I'm able to do this. Preferably, I would rather do this like in my office or at my new place. My new place doesn't really have my office set up, but I, still prefer to do it at home. But I did email my customer, and they do want the hair mailed out today. Typically, I don't mail it out the same day. I do give myself wiggle room, but if I can mail it out the same day, I will. You just have to, ask, inquire. Sometimes I can, sometimes I can't. Just depends on what I'm doing. If the inventory is right by me, if it's not, if I have everything in stock, if I don't. So, yeah, that's pretty much the deciding factors. But I'm going to go ahead and package up this order before I find a post office nearby. I'm going to go ahead and print off the shipping label at a UPS store. And that's that. I'm just happy that I had the hair on me to be able to mail out today. This one is harder to get off. I'll try the other one. Please stop, guys. Put it down. Please stop. Put it down, please. All right, let me try to get this one open again. There we go, got it. Okay, and I have my other orders already packaged, like I mentioned. So I'll get like my envelope and everything else that I need once I get to the post office, and then I'll stop at a UPS store. I'm gonna use my GPS to find out where a UPS store and a post office are at, so that I can go ahead and mail out my packages. All right, so everyone will get their packages on time. And then I'm still working on, I have a few consultations that are due by the end of today. They're pretty much all done. I just have one more section to complete on one that I'm working on, but I'm using my tablet. I have this charging right now in the back of my car. So I'll keep working on that, like when we stop and get something to eat or something like that. So I will pick you all back up once we are moving on to the next phase. All right, so I just found a UPS store. I'm actually outside of it now, so I'm gonna go in, get my labels, and then I will be right back with you all. All right, so we decided to take a pit stop. I am currently in line at Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna get a coffee and then continue on to the post office, and then stop at a Walmart, try and get my light fixed at like an AutoZone, and then get back on the road. So that's what I'm doing now. I am so ready to be there. I haven't even put on like my eyebrows or my eye makeup, anything. I found my bracelet in my purse. Sometimes I like wearing my jewelry, but sometimes it just irritates me and I want to take it all off. So I took my necklace off last night, and I took my bracelet off, which I typically don't ever do, and my rings. But I have everything here. Like I said, I put my bracelet in my purse. I just put that back on. I put my necklace on the stand, and then I threw my rings and stuff in my purse. Just because, like I said, sometimes I just don't want to wear anything. Sometimes it just irritates me. Not like it's breaking me out or anything, but it just like irritates me to feel something on me. So I get like that occasionally. A lot of times, like when I'm on my cycle. And then, like I said, I haven't even felt like putting eyeliner on or my eyebrows or anything today. I'm just ready to be there. So again, like I said in the beginning of the vlog, I'm not going to push myself. I am going to take my time. But I'm thinking that a coffee will definitely wake me up. I'm hoping that a coffee will wake me up. So that's what I'm doing now. All right, so I changed my hair, just put it up. That braid, I just got tired of that braid being right here. But we're at a rest stop right now. We are outside of Hardee's, and we have about like 6 more hours to go until we, why am I looking here? I should be looking here, but we have about 6 more hours to go until we actually reach Michigan. So yeah, we're about to get back on the road and keep trucking that way. I am a little tired, but I don't want to stop driving. You know how that can be. You just kind of keep wanting to push it and go. Although
I did say I wasn't gonna push myself, which I'm not gonna push myself too hard, but I kind of do want to push it right now and get there because I don't want to stop again. Like I said, it's just not a couple more hours, but I've already knocked down half of the trip, so I'm just ready to be there. So I will pick up the phone once we make it to our next phase. I have the orders sent out. I worked on a few more consultations sitting here, and I have a few more orders to process when I get back to the house. So, or yeah, the home in Michigan. So yes, I'm still working while I'm traveling, responding to emails, text messages, and things like that. And like I said, working on some consultations. I'm going to do some biographies that I have to get caught up with on with tomorrow when I actually get there. So yeah, you know, I'm always working on the go. Not always, but right now I am working on the go. So it's a blessing to be able to do that. But I will pick up the phone once I get to the next phase. So we finally made it. I decided not to go to my house last night. I just came over to my mom's and she did a nice little setup in her basement. My sons are on the other side of the setup. So I'm about to get up, get dressed, get some breakfast, and get some work done before they get up, and then carry on with my day. So I do want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.